I should have got the black drop. I should have got the black backdrop out for this one. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Pumpkinhead. My name is Lacey, so I wanted to do a more simplistic kind of makeup look that looks like you put a ton of effort into it, but it really didn't take you any time at all. It took me forever because I did it the wrong way. If you want to see how to get this look, make sure you just keep watching. If you are new here, please subscribe. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump on into this video. I'm gonna start with these things. I got these forever ago. I'm gonna use the black. So I'm going to start by just drawing the shape of the eyes I want. So these don't really have to be perfect. I'm gonna do the same thing with the mouth. I just want to say these are water activated paints. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start filling in the black. I'm going to take this big flat brush by BH Cosmetics and I'm just going to go into my orange and I'm going to paint the rest of my face. So I'm going to take my Be Perfect Carnival 3 palette. You can use whatever brown you want. I want more of like a reddy kind of orangey brown. I'm going to go into this shade right here. And I want to take a small like fluffy brush. And I'm going to start creating the lines like the pumpkin has. And then I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to go in with a little more product and just blend it out. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take a liner brush and I'm going to just take the black on it again and I'm going to make the softest lines coming off of these. I'm gonna take some black eyeliner, it does not matter which one, and line my outer eyes. And I think some really cool black contacts. would suit this look, but I'm not gonna go put them in because actually it's a school night and I need to go to bed. This is the final look. I know it's a lot simpler than what I typically do, but I wanted something that was kind of more realistic that anybody could do with some face paint. Like, you could use cheap face paint and get this look. If you are using cheap face paint, please set it. Like this I did not set, but just take some black eyeshadow and put it on the black and use some orange eyeshadow and set the orange with it, obviously. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Happy Halloween. Love ya. See you in the next one. Bye.